Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start a new spreadsheet in Google Sheet. Maybe you are new to the Google Sheet and you want to add a new spreadsheet but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you how to add a new spreadsheet in your Google Sheet. Check video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Sheet application. Once you open your Google Sheet application, you have to sign up with your Google account. After that, tap on this plus icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap it, there will be an option. You can either choose a template or new spreadsheet. For this example, I will just tap on this new spreadsheet. After that, your spreadsheet is now created. Just simply tap on this any box and then just tap on this to enter. For example, I'll tap here the account. After you type in, tap on this check button. And then after that, tap on this check button if you are done. And then to name this, and then to name this new spreadsheet, tap on these three icons at the upper right corner of your screen. As you can see in here, Untitled Spreadsheet. To name this spreadsheet, just simply tap on that. And then now, you can change the name of your spreadsheet. For example, I'll just tap here New. After that, tap on OK. And now your spreadsheet is named New. And as you can see here below, we have sheet number 1 and you can also tap on this plus icon to add another sheet. If you want this to name it, tap on this icon. As you can see in here, we are in the sheet 1. You have here duplicate, delete, rename, hide, tab color, guidelines, and many more. So to rename this sheet, tap on this rename. For example, I will rename it at first. After you rename it, tap on this OK button to continue. As you can see here, you just remain the sheet number 1. After that, just simply tap on this icon to back. This is the Google Sheet we just created few seconds ago. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a new spreadsheet in Google Sheet, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add a spreadsheet in Google Sheet, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.